You see this one of the very recent phenomena uh, in northwestern Karakoram plate of Pakistan. You see these boiling water and the hot spring, newly formed hot springs coming out. The vapors can be seen here, and which are forcing upwards. This phenomena is not related to volcanic activity in the area, but this is an indication that in the vicinity some landsliding or mass wasting activity taking place very slowly in the subsurface. The area is little bit uh, away from the population, uh, from the houses, but it can further it can be further uh, extended to the surrounding areas because the landslide activity, which might be initially a creep kind of activity, it can lead to some earth flow activity. Cracks have been seen in the area, although it's away from that area, but the slumping kind of movement have been recorded uh, in the within the Karakoram plate. So the concerned departments should visit the area, and they should monitor these activities so that people are informed on time, and any of the casualty, possible casualty or disaster may be